Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and our today's topic is the USB. USB means Universal Serial Bus. Universal Serial Bus is a wired high-speed serial bus which is to be developed by the Compaq, DEC, IBM. Also it is to be developed by the Intel, Microsoft, NEC and Nortel in 1996. It defines the cable, connector and a communication protocol which is used in the bus and which is used for the communication and power supply between the computer and the electronic device. It is designed to standardize the connections of the computer peripheral, and such a connection is called as a keyboard, printing device, printers, disk drivers, etc. The common place for a device like smartphone and the PDA are to be, it addresses the issue of usability of the interface and facilitate the greater data transfer rate. It has a successful replaced external serial or the parallel device. The USB interface has the ability to supply the power to the connecting device. Each USB device contains a product ID, that is PID, and a vendor ID, that is VID, embedded into the chip. The PID and the VID are essential for loading the USB driver. The typical USB as the following pins. The USB के कुछ पिंस यहाँ पे दिए हैं. देखिए आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं स्टैंडर्ड ए और स्टैंडर्ड बी दो अलग अलग फॉर्मेट इसके दिए हैं USB के यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बस के. इस पर क्या है कि टोटल 4 पीस यहाँ पे देख रही है. पिन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करिए कि पिन नंबर 1 जो है ये है VCC, दैट इज +5 वोल्ट. देन पिन नंबर 2 जो है दिस इज फॉर माइनस डेटा. पिन नंबर 3 इट इज फॉर द प्लस डेटा. और पिन नंबर 4 जो है ये है ग्राउंड. ठीक है, तो इन दिस वे these are the 4 pins are to be given to the standard A USB. इसके बाद है स्टैंडर्ड बी. स्टैंडर्ड बी में भी सेम चारों पिन है, बट चारों पिन का कनेक्शन अलग अलग दिया है. कि ऊपर में आप देख सकते हैं कि प्लस VCC एंड माइनस डेटा ऊपर दिए है और माइनस VCC और प्लस डेटा नीचे दिए है. So that is the standard B this object. There are different versions of the USB also there. First, initially USB 1.0 is to be released, and that is released in 1996, in January 1996. There are certain specifications of that the USB 1.0 having a data rate of 1.5 Mbps megabits per second, which is a low speed, and 12 megabits per second of full speed. This USB 1.1 is first widely used USB version. Then USB 2.0 is released in April 2000, which is improved data rate of 480 megabits per second of a high speed, and it used minimum A and B connectors altogether. USB 3.0 is released in 2008, November 2008, and the data rate of that USB is 5 gigabits per second, which is a high speed, super high speed. It reduces the time required for the data transmission, and it reduces the power consumption, and is backward compatible with the USB 2.0. After that, another model which we found, it is ultra wide USB, it is UWB, which is also called as a UWB. That UWB is used for the wireless USB. It provides the high bandwidth, low cost and less power consumption unwired nature. Then we can see that the USB connection also there. In the USB connections, if you observe that the design architecture of USB, it consists of the host and the number of downstream USB ports and multiple peripheral devices. This USB transmits the data in a packet format. A USB host implements one or more host controllers. Each host controller provides one or more USB ports. A host controller establishes the communication with the USB slave and packetize and format the data. This is USB device technology. USB device connection topology is to be here. This is peripheral to. This is USB hub. We can connect one by one. The example of that USB example is that the keyboard is connected to the CPU through USB. Then mouse is also connected to USB. The pen drive is connected to also USB. Dongle is connected to the USB. Memory card is connected to USB. Then another disk is connected to USB. So you can connect the different devices by using USB. USB host with the host controller. The two root hub integrated into the host controller. The 4-port hub integrated into a keyboard. USB keyboard, USB keypad, 4-port hub, 4-port hub for the part 7 hub. USB mouse, USB flash drive, 4-port hub, USB Bluetooth adapter also there. A single host controller can be connected to the 127 device. The USB devices are connected in series to the bus. The supported communication distance up to the 5 meters, and the USB bus uses the two types of connectors at the end of the USB cable for connecting the USB device with the host device. A type A is used for connection with the host and type B used for connection with the slave also. The kind of USB transport is to be control or bulk or the in synchronous. First we see the control. The control is a bidirectional transport. Then USB system software can issue the command to the endpoint, such as get division descriptor, endpoint 0 for out and in. After that, only transfer type available before the device can be configured. In the bulk, the transport a large amount of data with error-free delivery with a no bandwidth guarantee. It's comparatively slow, used in a printer and scanner. In synchronous for a streaming time critical data with a constant data transfer. It required a guaranteed bandwidth which timely delivered is more important than the completely accurate and complete data. Interrupt for transferring the small amount of data. The transfer takes place by polling USB device for any data. The frequency of polling is defined by the types of USB device like the keyboard and mouse. Okay, so this is all about the USB, that is Universal Serial Bus. Thank you very much.